Bajato presents TL377, rear combination lamp replacement for John Deere and Deutz Fahr tractors. This is a high-quality lamp with polypropylene material on the base and lens in acrylic. This lamp has European homologation in it. It is a 4-function lamp: tail, stop, rear direction indicator, and license plate. We have 2 bolts here for the fitment of this lamp on the housing, which is then fitted onto tractor. Now I will open this lamp. It has 3 bulbs. These bulbs you can use as 12-volt 21 watts in stop function, 12-volt 21 watts in direction indicator, and 12-volt 5 watts on the tail function. Similarly, this is SL377. This is front indicator lamp for John Deere and Deutz Fahr tractors. It is a 2-function lamp with front direction indicator and parking. This is a high-quality lamp which comes with a polypropylene base and acrylic lens. In this lamp, you put 12 volts 21 watts for front indicator function and 12 volts 5 watts for parking function. We have 2 bolts here for the fitment of this lamp on the housing. On both the lamps you can attach the earth wire on the bolt. We also have support housing for both the lamps as SLH377 and TLH377. The lamps can be purchased separately or with the support housings also. These support housings are used to fit these lamps on the Deutz tractors. Both these lamps are universal fitment application lamps as they have a flat base and they can be used in many kinds of agricultural equipment and machines like tillers, mowers, seeders, implements, etc. When you buy this product, you get Bajato commitment of reliability, quality and value for money.